guys, today I'm going to be opening my new toy that I got. It comes with food.
What's its name?
It's
No, the toy name.
It's called the Boutique Tea Set.
Good.
And these are a bunch of sweets inside. And this is the holder for the sweets. And these are the tea set things. Let me get out the tray. Here's the tray.
It's upside down.
So I'm going to be starting by opening the tea set things. First, we have what is this called?
Teapot. Kettle. Teapot. Teapot.
First, we're going to be opening the teapot. We're going to be putting it on the tray for now. Next, we have 2 plates, but there's more plates inside that I just slipped out of my hands. I'm going to get them out. Here are the other plates. They're just like the same ones, because all of the plates are the same. There's 3 plates in each for each one. Or 4. And here are the teacups. There's 4 teacups. Am I doing good? So now I'm going to be starting by making the sweet holder. What is this? Okay.
Do you need help?
Hi guys, I'm just back from getting a little help from building my sweet holder. So now I'm going to be opening my sweets. First of all, we have eggs and bacon and strawberries. So I'm going to be putting it on here. And this is a part of building. So I'm going to find a piece to build it. Already found a piece to build it. And here it is.
What is it?
It's popcorn. So now you put it there. What is this called?
I can't see. Okay, unbox the other ones. I don't know. It looks like a cinnamon roll. Here, catch.
You just knocked it down.
Oh my god.
So we're going to put it here. And over here we have like a strawberry roll. So we're putting it here. And next we have a hot dog. So we're putting it right here. Last thing is the same thing. A chocolate banana, strawberry, vanilla roll. And this is the end of the video.